Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A particle's position is given by s equals 1.5 t cubed minus 13.5 t squared plus 22.5 t feet, where t is measured in seconds. Find 1. The position at t equals 6 seconds, and 2. The total distance traveled from t equals 0 to t equals 6 seconds. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. To find total distance, we first differentiate the position function to get velocity, then find when the particle stops and reverses direction. Differentiating gives velocity equals 4.5 t squared minus 27t plus 22.5. Setting velocity equal to 0 gives 4.5 t squared minus 27t plus 22.5 equals 0. Dividing by 4.5 gives t squared minus 6t plus 5 equals 0. This factors as t minus 1 times t minus 5 equals 0, giving turning points at t equals 1 second and t equals 5 seconds. Now resubstitute each key time into the position function. At t equals 0, position equals 0 feet. At t equals 1, position equals 1.5 minus 13.5 plus 22.5, which equals 10.5 feet. At t equals 5, position equals 187.5 minus 337.5 plus 112.5, which equals negative 37.5 feet. At t equals 6, position equals 324 minus 486 plus 135, which equals negative 27 feet. The particle changes direction at each turning point. From t equals 0 to 1, it moves right. From t equals 1 to 5, it moves left. And from t equals 5 to 6, it moves right again. Total distance is found by adding the absolute distance of each segment. The first segment covers 10.5 feet. The second segment covers the absolute value of negative 37.5 minus 10.5, which is 48 feet. The third segment covers the absolute value of negative 27 minus negative 37.5, which is 10.5 feet. Adding these gives a total distance of 69 feet. The particle's position at 6 seconds is negative 27 feet, meaning 27 feet to the left of the origin. The total distance traveled over the 6-second interval is 69 feet. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.